Hey, what's up guys, my name is Zahir. So in this video we are going to play some games on this Poco F1 and I'm going to do a gaming review of this Poco F1, which is a very awesome device for gaming, by the way. Let me tell you that, because it is having the Snapdragon 845 processor with Adreno 630 GPU, which is amazing for gaming. And by the way guys, this smartphone has a 1080p display, which is also a very nice thing because it does not have to push a lot of pixels. And guys, it has 4000 mAh battery, which is also a very good plus point for this smartphone. And now let's go and let's play some game, and let me tell you that how it performs in the gaming department. By the way guys, I'm going to play this games PUBG Mobile, of course, because everyone's favorite game is PUBG Mobile. If you don't know that, then I guess you are living in the rock. And the second game will be Modern Combat 5, the third game Asphalt 9, of course. And I'm going to use this application called Phone Temperature to measure the temperature of this smartphone, because I don't have any physical temperature gauge or something like that to measure the temperature. So yeah, that's all. Let's play some games. Let me clear the RAM first. And by the way guys, right now the time is 9:49 PM, of course, and that battery is on 42%, so you'll know that what is happening and what is going on. And by the way guys, I am shooting this video in 60 fps, which is an awesome thing. So guys, basically this is a full gaming review of this Poco F1 in 60 fps, and you are going to see a PUBG Mobile gaming review of this Poco F1 in 60 fps, which is amazing thing. So let's begin. Let's start with a fan favorite PUBG. So guys, let me show you that the graphics setting is on ultra, which is a really nice thing. Style is on classic, and basically the graphics is on HDR. So let's start the game and let's see how it's gonna handle. I know that it will definitely handle this game amazingly, because it has a very good water cooling technology, that is a very awesome thing. Let's play this game. By the way, this is a lobby, and well, it looks pretty nice, isn't it? Well, by the way guys, it has two speakers. This earpiece can also become second speaker, and it produces a stereo sound. So let me know how's the sound quality, by the way guys. It looks pretty nice, by the way. I mean the graphics. There should be some guns, right? Okay, there is no gun, which is... Oh, dang. Some guns are there. Which is there. Holy moly. By the way guys, the gameplay is very smooth. Looks pretty nice too on this awesome display. Okay, someone is there. Yeah, I got one kill, which is awesome. Whoa, I got a kill. Damn, that's amazing. There he was. Where are you, man? Holy moly. Where are you, dude? Okay, there you are. I got 4 kills. Damn. That's awesome. Someone is there. Who was? 5 kills. Damn. I'm amazed. I'm impressed by myself. Okay, I got it. Okay, I got the kill too. That's amazing. Okay, someone killed me. That's sad. But yeah, better luck next time. I know that. So guys, it's been more than 10 minutes since I'm playing that game, and let me check the temperature. So the temperature is 38 degrees right now, and thanks to that plastic bag, it doesn't feel warm. I mean, it doesn't feel hot at all. It is little bit warm, but as compared to metal devices, it is not that hot or something like that. It is very normal. So yeah, I am impressed here with the Poco Phone F1 with the performance of this game. So now let's play this Modern Combat 5. Let's first of all go to GFX, and in terms of FPS limit, put it on 60 because we need 60 FPS, guys. And by the way, this is a 60 FPS video. Nope. And on the name of 60%, oh my god, it is freaking smooth after putting it on 60 FPS. So let me increase the brightness, guys, so you can properly see the gameplay, because I guess you are not able to see the gameplay till now. Yeah. Damn, the performance of this gameplay is amazing. It's freaking smooth, especially thanks to that 845 processor and that liquid cooling. Holy! God damn it.
Shit! Chopper! More incoming! Keep them off us! Hang on!
I guess this helicopter is going to destroy right now. Yeah.
Falling back! We're in the clear!
Mission is completed. That's amazing. So guys, it's been around 5 to 10 minutes since I'm playing that game, and the performance of that game was amazing thanks to that 845 processor and this less resolution display. By the way, the current temperature of this smartphone is 39 degrees Celsius, and by the way guys, I'm in an air conditioner environment, and the temperature of the air conditioner is on 24, I guess. No, it's on 20. So yeah, let's play this Asphalt 9. Let me clear the RAM first. Now let's play this Asphalt 9. So yeah, because Asphalt 9 is also a very hard game right now. As you see guys, that graphic quality is on high. Well guys, the gameplay looks pretty amazing. Okay. Whoa, that's awesome. Dang, the special effects are just incredible. Oh, well, I got a knockdown. Whoa, whoa. Race result, I'm on 6, which is a very bad thing. But by the way, guys, the gameplay was freaking smooth. There was no frame drops in any of the game that I have played continuously in past 30 minutes. And by the way, the temperature is 38 degrees and it feels little bit warm. I mean, it is not striking or something like that. It is little bit warm over here, warm to touch, but it is very good. I mean, the gameplay, the gaming performance of this smartphone was just amazing. And by the way, the current battery percentage is 35%, which is awesome. So overall, guys, in terms of conclusion, I have to say I'm impressed with the gameplay of this Poco phone, and the price of this smartphone is just incredible. So if you want to buy a amazing gaming smartphone for playing games, then just close your eyes and buy this smartphone. It has Snapdragon 845 processor, 4000 mAh battery and liquid cooling, guys. It performs amazing in terms of the gameplay. So if you want a very good gaming device, you should consider this smartphone. Otherwise, you can look at other smartphones too, but in terms of true value proposition, I would say this is one of the best smartphones that you can buy in this price category, or I can say this is the best smartphone that you can buy in the price of rupees 20,000. So yeah, that's all in this video, guys. I hope you did like this video. If you did, then hit that like button right now, and guys, please share this video with your friends who want to buy this smartphone or who want to buy any other smartphone, who are looking to buy any other smartphone. And by the way, guys, if you loved my content, then hit that subscribe button right now and hit that bell notification icon so you'll be notified when I post new videos like this. And thank you so much for watching this video, guys. Bye bye.